Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Gemini to Google Drive. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, what we are going to do is navigate to Gemini chat interface on your website, on your profile. Then what we are going to do is head over here to the settings on the bottom left corner and click on connected apps, just like that. Now find Google Workspace and make sure that you have enabled right over here with this blue switch right here. And yeah, you need to have this enabled. Now let's head over to the new chat. And what you are going to do is use this symbol right here. And from this pop-up menu, select Google Drive. And now you can, let's say, type in whatever basically would you like to know, so something like that, and yeah, hit send. And basically Gemini and Google Drive will connect between each other and find solutions, find some uh, what you are asking for. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next